I did resting squats for 5 minutes every day, and here's what happened. Do your hips feel tight? Your knees ache? Or your back scream after sitting all day? What if I told you the solution isn't another fancy stretch or hours in the gym? It's literally just sitting differently? I tested something unusual, resting squats for 5 minutes a day. At first, I thought, how hard could it be? Turns out, harder than expected. My heels wanted to pop up, my knees felt shaky, and my back complained. But here's the crazy part. Within a week, everything started to change. My hips loosened, my posture got taller, and that constant lower back stiffness, gone. Resting squats aren't just an exercise. They're a reset button for your body. Humans are designed to squat. Our ancestors used it as their natural resting position. We lost it because of chairs. Reclaim it, and suddenly your joints feel younger, stronger, and free again. It's like oil for your body. It helps your joints move smoothly and easily. Every minute in a squat oils your hips, knees, and ankles so they move like they're supposed to. So tell me this, would you try squatting for 5 minutes a day if it meant less pain and more freedom? Drop your answer in the comments. And before you go, grab your free workout plan in the description. Smash that like button, subscribe for more simple but powerful tips. Share this with a friend who needs it, and watch the next video on your screen because that's where your transformation continues.